So we're actually leaving. Liz, are you sad?
A bit. But I'm happy to go to Stepney too. So.
Yeah, we wish you could do this. Yeah, for just a little bit longer, but you know, we're packing us 100. Anyways, we're on our way to Stepney. Liz's favorite place to go.
One of my favorite places to go.
This is the first time approaching from this side in a long while. Now we're actually driving from Brownstone. Then we're gonna end up in Alexandria. Now Alexandria is basically where my high school is located. The Boston Gallimore High School. You know, and then we go through some of the places that we know, Alva, you know, Sterling, Calderwood, and then we reach Stepney. Liz, this is a test for you now. Where are we?
Pretty cool.
Oh my God. Remember, we're not driving through the hills. Well, still through the hills are driving. But
8 miles.
we're not coming from that side.
Oh. Murray.
No, go on. Go try still or try again.
Alva.
Good. You're so close. You just passed Alva.
9 miles.
No, Liz, you're
9
gone too
miles the other side.
You're gone too far now, baby.
You reach Stepney?
We're not reached Stepney yet.
You reach Stepney.
We're not reached Stepney yet.
No? 9 miles? No, 9 miles is not.
No,
Where are we?
we're in Sterling.
Oh no, I missed that.
A few moments later.
So guess what, Virgo Nation, we reach, you know? We reach. Ladies? Emma? Rena?
Alright, Rena over that side and she
Or
will be
home?
right, you know? Get them out first. We are home. Yes, Lord, thank you.
Long time I don't wash my face out the door. Who know about them something here? Oh. And one thing with them water and cool like ice. No one. Ice water is Virgo Nation. Where you going? Play time wash?
I was back in play time.
How does it feel waking up in the countryside?
Feels really good. Really love, we love Stepney already, so that shouldn't be a question.
Best community in the world, right?
I wouldn't say the best community in the world, because I come from somewhere. But I really love being in Stepney. Just the country vibe and the clean air. And my mother-in-law cooking, I can't afford that.
Why me be like one time when you tell me say this is the best community I've ever been to?
What?
Actually better than where you're from.
Stop it, it's too loud. Stop it.
I'm still make.
Eh? Me never have a conversation like that yet.
Please, man. Please. You could swear to me say this.
But me love Stepney for you, man.
Best.
You're too good. But but me tell you, it's the best community in the world. But the vibe here, it's always right. You know?
Trust me.
So me love that.
A few moments later.
What's going on here?
Jerky there, man.
I'm chicken waiting, you know, pan watching.
Jerky there, man.
What?
Yeah, man.
What's going on here?
Oh, Lord, jerky, man. This is the start, you know? You're gonna love it, man.
Oh, this is look good.
Yeah, man. I look better a little more.
See them thing of organization?
Yeah. Mommy a jerk.
Top chef, top jerk.
Yeah.
Now waiting for you about us to go and wait.
Shanti have a random behind her and I wait for the chicken. And this one now?
This one I should have a name. What my name?
They out here now. Smoke a killer and she stand up next to you. How you do it?
Hmm?
Smoke a beat your bad and you still stand up night.
Wait, I'm gonna do the taste test.
Yeah, you're the tester.
As soon as you done, you call me, eh?
Yeah, man.
No call this first. Yeah.
Well, is that tester?
Can you
Is that to come first?
Can you know, yeah, you know, you eat off it.
I'm sure there's some more, you know, man.
When you come to food, call me first. I'll
It's
leave you
alright.
eat off of that.
Is that right? They may not have seasoned it already.
No man,
Oh, you never season it yet?
you can't season it, man.
A few moments later.
How's it going, Jerky?
Hey, coming in now?
Coming to come.
Yeah, coming to come, man. You think color, you know?
Getting some nice colors.
Yeah.
As a master, we ready to shut it down?
So you're gonna wait.
Can't wait.
You can't wait to shut it down, man.
A few moments later.
Ready, then ready, and I gone, then gone, and now.
Yeah, God like Sammy Mopa. Yeah.
Romain, I'm on my talk to.
We're gonna festival.
Stop it, man.
You can go, wait, let me come to this.
Alright.
Stop it. ready, and I gone, you gone, man.
I'll be hungry belly people that why, I never come out of this. Come different list that deal with it wicked before me. Masim smell it and run out, you know.
A pan watch, you know?
Masim smell it too. I walk out.
I mean, now you ask me if you fell paper shot, you know.
Cause...
Why when you're not going to put your hand behind my back?
Oh, no, man.
You can't tell me to do that. What should do? Drop her hand?
Yeah, man, she put her foot into this one. You want to taste it, babes? Tastes good, like real Jamaican jerk.
No, my one coming up.
Randy over here.
Jerk chicken.
How is it?
Amazing. And then this is festival I'm tasting.
Well seasoned, yeah?
Well, me taste with the chicken already, so I have a favorite. I have a understand how I go on. What? Wow. I
Nice
tell you.
sound. Oh, what, right?
Yeah, walk. I'll go down for the flat here. Too forward. Over here to the right. This shop over here is called Mas Dennis shop. This is a shop that the entire community use. And down there is my church. Stepney Tabernacle Church. Yeah. Plaza! Weird power, no man. Yo, the amount of time I call them on a name in our videos. The world is supposed to know Plaza by now. Talk to the people in Plaza. Your favorite uncle is in the world, at my farm.
Yes, sir.
Where you plant Uncle Earl?
Young cabbage, sweet potato.
All I nice is the mommy always a show up on my Instagram when mommy carry up.
Yeah.
Enough of them come off of Uncle Earl farm. What your favorite thing for grow? Or
Sweet potato.
sweet potato?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I tie fast is
I
coming
type fast, how long you take?
6 months.
But I not fast, Uncle
Six
Earl.
months. I don't love plant cabbage.
Yeah.
Oh, why?
Cabbage when you plant cabbage, You spend X amount of money plant which are when you come in all $5 a pound.
Oh,
Right, man, you don't make no money off it.
Wow, that me never know.
Sometimes it all depends. Like last Christmas, you know, you make money
Like,
from it.
like if they
But
have
the
in
price you up.
December.
But sometimes price $5-10, you don't make no money off it.
$5-10
Yeah, man. A pound for
So
carry.
Wow.
you spend some money to buy one pack of cabbage.
Guys, we take a lot for granted, you know, because we get the good things them and we don't even realize how much work go into actually cultivating it and getting it to where it is so we can eat it.
That's
Trust me.
when the farmer them come, nothing for.
Not each one them price, just pay it
And
because
work
it
out.
take a lot.
As I walk right here, see? There used to be a two big pear tree. Yeah, man.
Oh,
Burger Nation. When we tell you, you know, say, and a little bit of people say the duppy frighten them and I say, no, believe in this, like. And
Right, yes, sir.
is it right? What?
I want 2 or 3 days up there, sir.
Yeah, man.
And crowd man walking a gun. No one man now boss has to go for road live.
No, no, people afraid of us, man.
but why this specific spot? More than one person stay?
I think people outgrow that now.
Yeah.
Oh,
Long time thing.
okay.
Long time days.
Okay.
I talk like we all, but
I get what you mean, man.
you see that tank here?
Yeah, babe.
This is like I think government built up them kind of tank here. Right, Plaza? Back in the days, long time. You can go over there, go looking at it. All people need to know how this box off and look at thing off I top there. Frog probably in there, though.
Right now, I'll do it.
Please come back, man. Hey.
I'll do it. See
No,
what
no,
I
no.
can, sir. If you this brushy like so.
Sabias, why you mention it?
Eh?
Why you mention about frog?
But frog normally, you know them. What no name, you know?
No, no, you know this now. If you this box is up, you want to clear and pretty that. That's why I'm going to cook some in night time. Look for the water that come up in night time.
Yeah.
Look how it clear.
You don't look bad at all. One time, me and one of my friends, like one early morning, we come by, because them used to have like fish in them, like little fish. And you know,
Fry.
No, Liz, not to eat.
Bigger than fry? No, man, you know fry.
Oh, fries. Oh, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I mean. Like fryers.
Fryer, yeah.
Yeah. So. Alright, I am just a talk about. Yeah, man, so we can't show the tank and I call for that.
In just a tell me about
We
it.
forgot all you did. Oh my gosh. So, why him did just I say to you know, Liz? He must have Fowler, that's his nickname. But him real name is Kerry. He's like a morning. And him come by early in the morning. You know, come as a little youth, you know, little youth, do a little youth.
Which is get trouble down.
Get trouble. You know? Left we yard early in the morning so we catch fish. So every time we dip and we don't catch nothing, we throw back the water, but sometimes we throw it on the side at the tank. And while we there do the thing, so the man just, but I don't know, I turn me and look, and the next thing, the man in the tank. And he make one dip and go down. No. He make one dip and go down, and we start calling everybody out of the road, but some thing are going on and people busy at doing thing, couldn't hear a thing. And so I run back over, when I run back over, it's like that the water just second and it's like you see him go down now like. And the only thing we could have said to him is stretch your hand and I now me reach and grab him man and just drive me in closer to the tank. And boy, they hold up him hand until some more people, you know, I guess them believe and then them forward and help him dry him out. You know? But that was a moment in our life, I tell you so. We'll never forget. He'll never forget it. Deborah, that's what the youth is just yesterday. Him drop another one over there. So him have a story too, you know?
History, guys, history.
Yep.
Let me cut this to this.
So the little dog every time I come by him bad now. Oh, I mean, see.
No, I always admire grass the up here, so.
Yeah. Good people live here, man. Nice grass growing. This is the same house you would see. Never Make Her Sad.
Never Make Her Sad video.
Such a real song to me. Yeah, but this is the house that I grew up in. Yeah.
Remember one day we come over here, babe, and two goat did over here, so.
Yeah.
And I think we did start playing the Now. You remember? It's when we do the video for, you know, vibe to Now, and we see two goats and make a run off.
Who remember that? You can't catch a goat to dance, you know. Someone knows you're a big fan of goat long time, you know? You love goat, eh?
Greatest of all time.
So why you eat curry goat?
Boy, oh boy, quite nice. Oh God.
Yeah. People wouldn't understand, but this is how we grow up here in the countryside, up in the areas of Stepney. You know? Right in front of our house, all our loved ones are laid to rest. You know? This, at least cannot relate to. Recognition, the last time I asked her is if she ever used one of them things.
Well, actually,
Hatching.
I'm lucky.
Listen, no. Plaza. Wow. Now we're there at Plaza, we'll get the real thing. Oh, look at this.
Planting, my favorite.
Planting.
And it's fat too, you know. Look on there.
I'm going to cut it off by farmer. Come back.
Here come.
In no time.
Oh, them the grapefruit?
Yeah, grapefruit. So Plaza, how much money you buy something like this from now?
This? They don't give no man I told you for this. Right now, if a man see them, I told me I want to give it.
Okay.
Wow. But a town is?
You probably get probably get 4 fingers.
For?
$5,000. I told you. $250 a one.
See that?
Yeah, about that.
I'm gonna give a tour of the house right now. Show you where the things start. Inside. Alright. This bed right here. You know, mommy, my sister, my brother used to sleep on it. And then right over here you used to have another bed. Self and my great grandmother used to sleep on this bed. And then this room around here, my uncle, we used to live around this room, same bed, you know. I'm thinking old and nobody live anymore still, but this was it.
The scene I did see in the Never Make Her Sad video with the young Romain in the barrel.
Oh Jesus. Can't tell recognition.
What inspired that one?
Why? I want to tell you so one day. Mommy have some clothes to wash and she left the yard to go get water to come wash the clothes. Cause we used to have some drum pan right here where we used to get water. And so she left to go catch water to come throw in the drum pan. And me there, you know, to go and clean the house as usual, wash plate, regular things we're not doing at the yard. I mean, I know I fly up in the mates, or at least me go. So we know so they jump that with them use wash clothes. I said, I wonder if we can take a dip before.
Shantae didn't know what it is? Oh, you're probably baby also.
Organization, I said, I wonder if we can take a dip before she use water and wash the clothes, because we're not dirty. I'm saying, jumping at the pan of water, Liz.
You ain't get trouble, you know? You ain't get trouble smartly.
When mommy come, mommy I say, oh, this looks so. So what you talking about, mommy? He said, what? He never looks so warm. You mean now? Oh, I map drop in there. The map for music videos.
Yes.
Mommy said, no.
No.
No. If I did a map, Dropping at this? Couldn't do it, so. Liz.
Hold on. Say what I do to you.
Yeah, man. I get some beating, you see, man.
Wow.
Come
That
here
means I
and-
never as clean as I think.
Hey, but did I enjoy myself, you know? I get some beating, you see, man. You cannot, no.
Oh, God.
Come to Liz.
Babes, I feel like if I come up here, so I'm going to slide in and I catch up on camera because you're not edit you.
You're not sliding. You're not sliding.
Hey, babes, I saw us up leave this.
Yeah.
You know, so I might want some. I think I saw us up leave good for memory, you know.
Feel like you're losing memory.
No, are you? I don't know if you'll get a chance to show the game that we played at the resort, at the villa, where the couples were battling with the balloon. I feel like may you plan out what we go do, and then after the game start, you forget.
Ready, steady, go!
Not doing well, organization. I'm not doing well.
I'm there, a person, and I say, Liz, my challenge if you catch on fall.
Liz,
What you mean?
I'm telling you to catch my fall then. Let's try.
Romain, please, don't do this to me.
Liz,
Which part I fall me for hole if me go catch it?
the tail, man.
The tail?
Just grab after the tail.
You want me catch foul?
No, you can't catch command pole so easily.
You ever run them down till them tired?
No, you can't catch command pole so easily.
This is Cousin Budge.
Yeah.
Okay, remember the time we jump over this terrible tree? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And them man that carry me home on the bicycle. This is the man who took me home on the bicycle. And then my auntie.
Auntie Shirley.
Yeah, man, she carried me go at the hospital.
That's right.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. My cousin this you know.
Respect.
They are putting some work.
Yes, man.
Work on the house, you know. Liz?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a feed figure? Yeah. Alright, go and do your thing.
Burger Nation, I never feed pig yet, but my grandmother used to raise pig. When I was younger, I remember we in the board house, and that one have a little bit gross still, but you ever smell hog poop? Jesus! Hog poop will make you suicidal. Alright, Shante? No, sir. I never forget. My grandma have the pig them under the house bottom, and when them poop in it come up in the.
No.
Jeez! We not even want to talk about it.
What's up? All is well? These are the...
Come on, fold it nice,
Yeah, man. Come on, fold it like white eggs. You know?
And the yolk rich.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Organization now show now. Mas Dylan now. The man of the original sound man from down in the streets, yeah. Black Spider sound when I grew up. The man they run it. You know? Let's pass through, bless him up. In the meantime, yeah. Oh, Dylan, where go on? They are passed through. Yeah, man, we're there, man. I tell the organization, say you own one of the biggest sound system in the community, you know.
Okay.
So Mas Dylan, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Black Spider sound,
Yeah.
man.
We out here, see me.
OD key, you know.
Naturally.
Yeah, man.
Outside. Yeah.
Yeah, man, I ride a donkey, yeah.
Outside, you know.
Back in the rising star time and mash up the whole world. And then the
don't know
future,
anything, God.
yeah, man.
Oh, see, Uncle Earl get banana food in
Yeah.
my bosses, you know? One thing with him. I always try to make sure so we not go back at town with an empty hand. You my mommy?
Your organization, so that's it for today. I hope you learn a little bit about me and when we grow up. There's so much more to it. One vlog won't do that. Would need weeks and months.
Guys, I'm down there video phone, you know. I'm walk off for a second and I come back and hear say your boy dropping her. I'm there to put one of the shots back and stuff. And I miss it. Sorry about that, guys. I got distracted. Where's the mommy? Where you say go? Probably one drop like that. Romain get a while ago.